And we're back to our Harvest Moon.
Hey, Luke.
Okay, so we got nothing going on today. It's Saturday, that's something's going on.
I'm gonna guess Tomato Festival.
I think it is. Yep. Alright. I like how having a golden watering can just equates to how far we can biff water.
Yeah.
Like, you couldn't do this with the old one.
Nope. The old one was like a tinkle.
Okay, check our money real quick. I'm just kind of curious. Okay. Let's go harvest the mountains.
You were gonna say Harvest the Moon, weren't you?
Yep. Because that's the name of the game.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Ann. They're not talking to you.
Probably should have made myself look like a psycho.
Oh, yeah. But that's every game, so...
Ow! Let's don't eat this one.
Yes, please stop eating our products.
But they're so delicious!
Yes, and that's why we sell them. You gotta get the customer hooked.
So what you're saying is, we're selling the customer drugs.
Yes, that is what we're selling. Nutritious drugs. Yeah, let's go buy wine for Karen, because we haven't done that in ages.
Before they close.
Yeah. And then whatever little money we have left, we should buy one more pack of seeds.
Good idea.
Okay.
Oh, cool. I was worried this would be one of their locked days.
Yeah, no.
You're inside. That's unusual for you. I want wine.
Is there something you want from us?
Wine.
Thank you. Come again. Karen, got something for you.
Get my way, Duke. Stupid name, Duke.
On dog's name.
Yeah. Named after a dog. The first place we'll check is the supermarket.
Which is convenient because we need to head there anyway.
I want to punch you, Ray.
There she is.
There we go. Glad to hear it. How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good.
You're kind of blocking me from going into my place. Oh, let me get the door for you. My lady.
Fabulous. Yes, Jeff, we get it. Yep, mm-hmm.
Not my first time farming, Jeff.
Yep, not my first time buying from you, Jeff. Mm-hmm.
So corn is the one that replenishes. You can't afford it.
Super chick tomato?
Tomato was the quickest, I believe.
You're welcome, Chef. Nice. Yes, it is. You'll examine me. Okay? Examine me. I'm not leaving until you examine me.
Stick a finger up my butt now, please.
I'm out.
Hey, you want a full examination?
That close for an examination, you know, like check tonsils or whatever.
That's the one finger in your mouth.
Let's go see Sad Sack. Hey, Sad Sack, why are you so sad? What did you do to Sad Sack?
I told him about the meaning of life.
Are you a Scientologist? I'm out. Bye, Sad Sack. Good luck. I'll convert you. Here I am at Gossip Corner.
Not a lot going on.
Nope.
We could be planting those seeds.
I mean, you're boring.
Yeah, just standing around doing nothing is totally interesting. Everyone wants to see that.
You want to see the hens chatting?
The hens don't come till like 1 o'clock.
No. Boring. Mr. Mayor, you suck.
Keep walking by every day. You suck! You never know what is me. I don't know why Cody keeps coming around saying I suck. He does realize I can kick him out of that place at any moment.
Alright.
They're probably in your shit. We don't have a house.
Good, yeah.
This is the equivalent of like a nice shed.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Sure, listen to my instincts.
Now, last time that happened, you ended up lost in the forest.
What the hell are you talking about?
You remember.
Oh, I know. If anything, it would be your fault.
I can neither confirm or deny this. Yes, more profits. Now, I do have a suggestion. If a batch of tomatoes comes in before the tomato festival, keep them until the tomato festival. Because I think we can still enter them.
The tomato festival is throwing tomatoes.
I thought also you had to bring your own.
No, I think they provide them.
Well,
I will bring the tomatoes.
just in case,
Yes.
keep one batch. It's not like it's going to kill us. Yeah, I heard the door close too. Hello?
What the hell?
Oh, it's probably Zach. It's probably the thing closing. The bin.
Yeah, but he's not here yet.
Oh, shit. Hello?
Well, what? I don't like this. Oh no, is my farm haunted? Did the horse go back in the stable? Maybe?
It did.
Okay, mystery solved. Oh yes.
Right in the face. Right across the eyes. Well, since we know that automatically does that.
Except this is the first time he's done it.
I think it just triggers if he walks by it.
Okay. Should I put it back in?
Yeah, you might as well, because it's a nice sunny day tomorrow. We let our horse go free range.
We're gonna have a fight.
Of course we are. This is Russack we're talking about. Oh.
Yeah, not too bad.
Walks right back in.
No. If you walk back in, you're staying in.
I'll take the produce that's in the bin.
You do that.
Just 2 things a week, huh?
Those 2 things of weed are worth 100 each.
Yeah. That's just because there's only 2 of them available.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go chop some wood.
Yep. Stop blowing, wind.
The hell?
Okay.
That was weird. Just check our lumber real quick.
We were at 272.
Yeah, no, it gives the same amount as any other. Why did it take so much effort?
Maybe I was in the wrong position.
Maybe. Swing your axe now, like not on the log, but on just solid ground. No, it sounds the same, so there's no sound difference.
Okay. Weird.
Yeah, weird. I'm gonna assume we just weren't on target.
Do I have them all finally? Nope. Another cursed log.
Damn you logs. I'll kill you all one day. Logs killed my parents.
I will have my revenge. 302.
Again, we should really come here sometime and actually check how much we need. Tomorrow. Since we won't be getting wine for Karen.
Oh, hell no.
Alright, time for bed. Grow, my pretties, grow. Dude, you expect anything else in summer?
Yes! I want at least one rainy day!
No! Probably in the fall is when you get the rainy days.
Yeah, probably. And there we go, all water.
That's a grab of weed.
Yep.
And
Hey, Ann, busy Ann.
Hey, Popuri.
Hey, freak.
You do not like her, do you?
She's a little creepy.
Creepy.
She's got red eyes, Devin. Red eyes!
Oh, so just because she has pink eye constantly doesn't makes her creepy. Probably was up until like 10.
Remind me when it's 10.
You have a clock.
I get distracted. Selling weed.
You have a problem, sir. You have a serious problem.
Hey, you told me to sell it!
Yeah, not like to the extent where you lose track of time. And toss the dogs. Let's go find our horse.
I'm wondering if I can try and pick one of these.
No, they're not ready yet.
Oh, you were easy to find. Bye.
Alright, by the time you get back there, it's 10 o'clock.
Be interesting to see how much it costs.
Hey, Popuri. Hey, Ann.
Hey, Ann, bye, Ann. Hey, Popuri, bye, Popuri. You bastard! Open the door.
Oh, there's a speck of dust on your door. Just let me get that for you.
Oh, there we go. Cool.
So 11 o'clock. Hey, what's up? Enlarge hen house. Let's just check. So you'll need 5,000 gold and 420 pieces of lumber.
You were right.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure.
How much is it about?
What should it want? It's 50 per unit.
Say nope. Get my own.
Yeah, I think focusing on getting our axe upgraded.
Yeah.
And then we can chop our own endlessly. I'm not letting you in. Alright, get out of his way. He will arrest you.
I thought he was the postman.
I think he's both.
That's a conflict of interest.
Alright. How much money do we got?
We have 265 gold.
Alright. Big beholders.
With any luck, this stuff will be grown soon.
Yeah. So what we'll need is a bigger basket to hold everything.
And puppy, if you ever piss on my shoes again, you won't like what happens.
So you want to try me?
Hmm?
I just looked at you like, you want to try me? Help! Put me down! Help! Help! Well, good luck. That's locked.
Oh.
Also, don't take it to Karen.
She doesn't like dogs?
I don't think she likes dogs.
Okay. Now let's go make somebody a little happy.
Hey, Ann, do you want to see my dog?
I hate you.
I don't think Ann's in here.
Damn it! Damn it! Come on, Ann! There you are. Look at my dog.
How cute!
Okay, let's go. Let's go get shit.
My name's Lunch.
And you're a dipshit.
They just like me better than you.
You're to live up to your name.
You won't eat me. You need me. Speaking of, Popuri's a nice girl.
Oh, no.
That's right, so if you know that, you should leave her alone.
Rick, come on, man.
What's the matter, Rick? Why are you speaking so loud? Oh, hi, Kai. Is something wrong? Come on in. Well, your brother doesn't want me to. Is that true, Rick? Popuri, listen to your brother. Oh, I hate you, Rick. Kai, please come in.
Mood swings.
No thanks, I just dropped by to say hello. Oh, see you later, Kai. Just grabs him. If you come near Popuri one more freaking time, I swear to God. The hens will have something else to feed on. One sec. Haha, you lose that round.
I just like to haul off and punch him.
We're not even interested in her.
I think he was talking to
Rick?
Yeah.
What manners for you?
Yeah.
You know, Rick, if you say the word, Kai can go mysteriously missing.
Yeah. Just one of these can do it.
Just letting you know, Rick. Out there for you.
I'll take care of him.
Especially since he gave us seawater.
Oh, yeah. Sure. No. Okay, puppy, we're done screwing around. Get back on the farm. I don't know why I carried this bit around.
Yeah. Gave us points for Ian, that's all that mattered.
Yeah, well, I might as well go,
That was some wood.
Because I need 420 pieces of wood to enlarge something that really doesn't need to be enlarged.
Since we don't have a chicken, let alone enough to warrant a large friggin' chicken in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna look into that. There might be an event where it's like, oh, now you can start building onto your house.
That would be nice.
But it seems like you have to buy them in order.
Yeah.
Chop, 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 all day long. Chop, 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 and I sing this song. Gonna chop that log, gonna make it split. Yeah, I can follow up for that. Well, we just need 100 more.
Yep. And back to the farm. Go to sleep, horse. Go to sleep, dog.
Yeah, I think it's time for us to go to sleep.
Yep.
Until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.